That means they're near where everybody can pass now.
No, you're not seeing the right funny piece around something. Column in the part, yeah.
Mighty Jesus, mighty God, what a sight!
What a lucky rotted man. Yo, the man lucky your friend. Yo, me there look on the whole situation. Pan this. It look like say the car bunks him. And the bunks of the car bunks him. In pitch fly overboard. A flat bridge that, you know. You know how much people crash, drop and drown in a that. And look, you say river never come down. Yo, big brother. Yo, the amount of thing I run through my head, I know me can't understand how him end up over this. So, well, we can understand saying get the lick and end up over this. But look what the bike there, look what the car there, and look what the man there. And when they man look funny, say the man drop night. Suppose the car he drop over when him down there. You get what I said here? Yo, Jano, yo. Anytime you see the festive season come around, you have to be very careful. It coming like the most things happen in a them time. Yeah. No, for real. Anytime Christmas, it's like the most things happen. Flatbridge that, you know. Alright, make we try to see this now. Flatbridge is a one-way settings. That's what I say. So, you're supposed to one line of car come when the traffic light turn on away and then the traffic light let off and it go the other way. So me I wonder if at one time the traffic light say go for the car man, the bike man I try to go across same time. Right? And not more than him bump him or that. You see, because to how it look, it don't look like the two of them are come from one direction. It look like him broke the stoplight. Or the car man broke the stoplight. But yo, just looking at the situation and the whole thing and just try and see what me I try to show you. You see? You see the bike how it's set. Like the bike I go this way, the car I go this way. Now, the bike man cannot go in front and the car man bounce him and the bike turn around. But the whole situation just look very contrary, believe you me. So, what the greatest thing is, no life, no loss. You see me I say, all iron can drop and mash up any day, because that can buy back anytime. You see? But the greatest thing is, them alright. You see me? Yo, bikey. Trust me know how the bike world is. You see me? The way you're frightened at that moment when you get bumped, you're not gonna really and truly feel no pain right now. You see? But me know, later on when the lick gets stale, that's how the pain start. Next time, me not say your fault in a bike, but just be careful, alright? And car man, you too. Alright? Just glad so now, alright, you see? Anyways, as always, you need to know more what go on. You have to click the subscribe button. And my name's Skilla, and that is and was Skilla's Entertainment. Take care.